Yellow vine powder. It is used in traditional herbal medicine. Health benefits. Tuber and its powders are used in traditional medicine to ward off many diseases and to protect us from infections. Reduce skin infections. Protects against skin infections and inflammation. Reduce eye infection. Heals the eye infection and allergies. Cure diarrhea. Control diarrhea, vomiting, drowsiness, and cramp. Shop for organic products only on Moolihai.com.